Welcome to the rack up.
Give me my sunglasses.
Go. You're filming.
These are goggles, not
It'll
sunglasses.
be all right.
I've been filming.
Welcome to the wrap up. Volume. Here we are.
Volume 11 disease.
Wrap up.
That's
Volume
gonna be
11. Welcome to it. God damn it.
Go.
Volume 11. Wrap up. Let's get to it. It's over there, but no, it's not. We were just kidding. It's right here. What happened Monday? Stuff. Tiff asked questions. That's what happened Monday. No, Tiff answered questions, and then she asked other questions about questions. I'm going to stop saying questions. She answered your questions, and Davey's questions,
Oh yeah, she
and
didn't answer my
Julian's,
question.
and Steph's questions.
That,
What?
she did not answer my question the way I
Okay.
wanted her to, so you paid.
It'll be all right.
You gave me a logical explanation, not logical.
Wanted something funny. Anyway, Tuesday, Tate did. Julia picked Tate's blog for the week out of the archives because he's out of internet right now. He put in dollar bills, and it was like, no, it rejected his U-Gold. So he did that. Last
Damn
week we
you,
commented
Hitler.
on it. I know. Wednesday, Julia did Lost Prophets and Billy Talent. Billy Talent's new one, Lost Prophets, semi-old one, I would say. Both of them really good albums. Go check them out. We got a couple new fans of Billy Talent out of that, so way to go. Thursday, Nips did his last vlog for a while.
With
What was his last
Davey.
vlog? Yep.
Yeah, we did the top 10 things that Davey hates.
Yep.
Number
And-
one being orthodontist.
Or the Donuts. Anyway,
I was going perfect.
just punch them all in.
Choke on my molars.
Friday, RJ did Final Fantasy VII Advent Children. It was also his Volume 7, so there's a pun in there somewhere. You guys figure it out.
I did not know that. Wow, thanks for pointing that out.
I know.
I
Tate
know
was,
now
Tate was
too.
there for that one. He went and stole the Jew and then put him back. Saturday, I
He fails
did
as Hitler.
Daybreakers. Finally got a good copy of that. Did that. Yeah, I'm giving it an eh. It's a steal. It's a steal. That's all I'm gonna say. It's a steal.
Well, that was the plan. Steal.
Right. Yeah. And then we'll be back with our first guest. We got a couple guests here at Airsoft, and we'll bring them back to the back.
Yeah, just two people stand up.
There's a table. Like you
Yeah.
in the middle. Well, just move the table over. What do you know?
You're gonna be in the outtakes.
Short, which thing I can stand.
All right, there we go. Brandon, you sit over
Hey Davey, I'd like you to know that Ian has been wanting one of those hats.
I have to keep it close.
Ian,
Let's just steal it.
It'll happen.
I know it will happen.
So I gotta get in.
Should just swap.
Jen. Okay,
Okay.
she's waving now.
All right, we're back with our guests. This is plural. We have
The ninja.
the ninja over here with the airsoft, and then the brown one, the brown man named Brandon or Captain or hey, don't do that. I don't like it there.
Goddamn it, knock it off.
Don't shoot me.
Captain Yi who needs a step stool.
Yes, he is quite short.
Yes.
So how was airsoft, guys? What'd you think of that? Was that fun? The DIY
Other
event?
than the Tommy gun, it was fun.
Yeah, the Tommy
Yeah.
gun was a son of a bitch.
I got drilled in the head a lot by that.
Yeah, we got.
I got my hands peppered, and I gotta say,
Oh, you guys are Twinkies. This kid's
Show your noses.
silent.
What?
Noses.
yeah, you two got nailed in the nose, which is kind of funny. I just got nailed in the hand by that damn thing a lot.
Dude, I got nailed across the forehead.
And I learned
A
that
little
unless
bit
I'm at
of
close
my
range, I'm pretty much untouchable.
All right, so Brandon, you're one of the new people that kind of to be added, I guess. So you have to do what everyone has to do. You have to sell yourself. So sell yourself to the people.
I'm brown, short, and I can kick most of your asses. There, I sold myself.
But only if he has a step stool. If you hide that on top of the fridge or even on a high counter, he's useless.
He's kind of like one of those.
Yeah, it's
So how did the
I'm a
ninja do?
ninja. You can't break my neck.
How did the ninja do at airsoft?
Well, let's see. The first rounds we played Capture the Flag. I scored the flag twice for my team.
I scored like the other team.
Yeah, and the second time we played deathmatch, I was on the winning team. The first time, second time, I got out pretty early. But I kind of dove in and went against like 4 or 5 people at once. But I did get one person out and got Ian down to 1 more life. So
Yeah,
it works, you know.
All right, brown man, how'd you do?
Other than the fact I'm pretty much untouchable unless I'm at close range or it's a Tommy gun.
I'm
He
shooting
likes
at
that
this
word a
guy.
lot.
I'm shooting at this guy with like an automatic.
and he's just like going like this, like bobbing and weaving. I'm just like, why aren't they hitting him? And after like 4 minutes of that, he finally got out.
Finally went
That's
down.
because
I
I
had my
practice kung
CO2
fu,
on him.
sir. That's because I practice kung fu, and yeah.
Oh, I hit a lot of people where they were
But he's
down
got the
too.
brown belt.
Mitch was reloading his gun and or his clip fell, and
other
I
brown
came up
guy.
and yeah, the other brown guy. I came up and I just started pelting him, and he wasn't very happy, but I got him out. I got like 4 people out that round, so that was awesome.
So this is Nips, this is your last wrap-up / vlog for a while. We're going to be throwing up guest vlogs on Thursdays now, so if you want to give us a guest vlog, go ahead. Nips, you want to leave a message for the people?
You guys suck. All of you. You suck my ass.
Hey,
That was rude. I do what I want.
that wasn't very
He
nice.
does.
Hey, the man's
I
not
can't.
coming back for a while. It's a free country. Let him say what the hell he wants to say.
What he said.
Shut up, brown man.
Don't encourage him.
Go to Guantanamo.
Yeah, we'll
We
take
can
you to
arrange that.
Guantanamo while it's still open.
Now, I'm the wrong kind of brown for that.
But no, that's the way I'm
Sandwich.
signing off.
Dude, it's the American
Thanks for
government. They
watching
don't know
my
any
show,
difference.
and thanks for having one of the higher ratings of all the shows. But I'm sorry I got a little-
Yeah, now the world's gonna have a little less hate in it, but
That's okay. I'll be back.
you'll be back eventually, so there'll be more hate.
It's like venereal disease. It never goes away completely.
It's true. VD sucks. Not that I would know,
That
but
So, let's see, what should be the mission for this week? This mission should be, if you want to do a guest blog, do a guest blog. If you want to be a guest host, sign up to be a guest host. Do
yeah,
whatever
guest
you want.
blogs.
Yeah.
We want colorful people on this show.
Hey, I'm brown.
Oh, and if you want to sign up for the blog swap, we need more people for that. You can even kind of choose what you want to do here.
Open for suggestions.
Open
pretty
for
much.
suggestions, because there's not enough people to do a draw. So if you guys pick what blog you want that's not taken, we'll do that.
Loud noises.
Mind business.
Random babies.
All right, but we're all cold and we're all hungry.
Freaking freezing out here. I'm done.
You
Yeah,
guys-
we're all hungry. I'm fat. I'm fat and hungry.
We done?
Are you done?
Let's wave bye to Nips.
Bye.
Nips.
I wish we could do that slow.
Go in my car.
All right,
Get the hell out of here.
Nips.
I love you.
I love you too.